So here's how it comes off the build plate. Prints all in one piece like that. And then, okay, so now that it's off the build plate, you have to free up all the joints. And it's pretty easy. You just want to take your time and be a little bit careful with it. A lot of the joints have little connective pieces so that it supports itself while it's printing, so you just kind of have to crack them free. For the shoulders and the hips, I'll usually start by kind of squeezing them in together towards the middle, and that will free up the leg joints. Then behind here, this is a pre-support. You just grab it like this and push it downwards. It'll just come off. And then each leg, you kind of work them free. Might have a little bit of hang up at first, but then they'll free up. And then with the elbows, you kind of want to wiggle it a little bit side to side and then bend it like that. And the same thing with the legs. I'll push these inwards. Oh, and then rotate. Now the body already gave way, but usually a twist on the chest will free that up. And then with the legs, just kind of push it a little bit outward and then open. And then the head. And give the head a little bit of a twist. And now you go freed up.